Am I the only one that didn't know forgiveness isn't about letting someone off the hook? Forgiveness isn't about letting someone off the hook? Seriously, this blew my mind. Turns out there's way more to it. We're taught that forgiveness is about being the bigger person. Like if you forgive, you're instantly healed, right? But here's the twist. Forgiveness isn't about excusing what they did or even pretending it didn't hurt. It's really about setting yourself free. Holding on to anger is like clutching a burning coal, hoping it'll hurt the other person. Meanwhile, you're the one getting burned. Forgiveness isn't saying it's okay. It's saying, I won't let your actions control me anymore. It's a gift you give yourself, not the person who hurt you. And you know what? You don't have to wait for an apology, or even for them to change. You can start healing today. So next time someone tells you to forgive and forget, remember, forgiveness is about freedom, not forgetting. And that's the truth no one explained to me, until now.